Hello everyone, welcome to another learning session of Foundation of Programming at CodeMode, where you learn by practice. Currently you are learning about latest in technology, and in today's class we will start learning about big data. Before I start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel, especially if you are watching on YouTube. For complete course and practice, go to our platform my.codemode.us. Let's begin. Big data is in news. Everybody is talking about big data. But what really it is? So far you have learned about data. You have learned that all the images, videos, sound files, text, emails, all of that are data. Now as more and more people are joining internet, they have been exchanging data. When you send an email, you are sending data. When you receive an email, you are receiving data. If you're watching a video, the video itself is data. And on top of it, how many users have watched the video, how long did you watch it, from where you are watching, all of that is data. The video and the use of video is also a data. Now when you are uploading a picture on Facebook or writing a message, making a post on Facebook or Instagram, all of that is data. In fact, as of July 2020, you can look at this data. 4.8 billion internet users were in this world. What does it mean? Is as the number of users are increasing, the data or the volume of data is exploding. The reason I say the word exploding, because by 2025, each day people will be using 463 exabyte of data globally, as per the World Economic Forum. Now to put it in the context or perspective, 463 exabyte, how big it is 1000 bytes to the power of 6. That's a lot of data, a lot of bytes. And to our amazement, all the words that we speak or we ever spoke is only 5 exabyte. Whereas we are literally sending each day 463 exabyte of data globally. That's a lot of data. Now, every data is not useful, but why do we need to store the data? Why do we care it? We'll see in the next class that the data is like Lego blocks. Imagine you have a big box in which you have put a lot of Lego blocks, right? Now you can take the blocks and make something useful. It can be a car or it could be a Spider-Man. It depends on you or what you want to do it. The data is there. So people or programmers are finding pattern in the data and helping us make some useful decisions. And it could be, let's say we have to find a person in the crowd. If you take multiple pictures and we can those pictures or images, we can write a computer program to identify one person in among all the 1,000 people. We don't have to manually look into the video, each frame or each image. So that's the power of collecting the data. And of course we have to collect the useful data. But then once we have the data, then we can write programs to find some pattern in the data, find something useful information in the data, which otherwise we could not have known. And we'll learn more about it in the next class. Now, that's all in today's class. If you have any question, post it in the community on my.codemode.us. Also take time to solve the quiz associated with this concept. It will not only make you practice, but also test your knowledge and understanding. I'll see you all in the next class. Keep learning.